Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change font size on Android. Okay, so whether you want larger text that's easier to read or smaller text to fit more on the screen, I'd just like you to know that this guide has got you covered. So first, changing your font size can improve readability, reduce eye strain, and make your phone feel more personalized to your needs, whether you're reading messages, browsing the web, or using apps. Now, the first method is from Android settings and it works on all your phones. So all you have to do is to open the settings app on your Android phone, then go ahead and tap on display. Once you type on display, you're going to see, just scroll down for a device like mine, which is Nokia 2.4. Just go ahead and click on advanced. And once you click on advanced, you're going to see font size. Now select font size, or for some, it's display size and text, what it may vary slightly. So you will see a slider or a sample text preview. I don't want to change it. But this is the slider. Now drag the slider left to decrease or right to increase the font size rather. As you adjust, the on-screen preview updates in real time. Now once you're happy, just go back. Your changes are saved automatically. Easy, right? That's okay. Now let's look at how this works on specific Android phones, because each brand adds its own twist. Now for Samsung Galaxy devices, One UI 6.1 Plus, open settings, tap display, tap font size and style, then drag the font size slider to adjust. You can also change the font style or download new fonts from there. Now, Samsung even lets you change the font style entirely for that personal or that extra personal flair. Now, for Google Pixel, that's stock Android 14, all you need to do is to open the settings, tap display size and text, adjust the font size slider to your preference. Below that, you can also change display size for overall UI scaling. On Pixel phones, this feature is tucked into a neat preview panel that updates as you adjust. Great for getting it just right. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.